Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to debug flow in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now we need to access to our flow in our Salesforce organization. And basically we need just to go to setup and then we need just to search for flows. We go to the quick find, we search for flows, and then we access to the list of our flows. And simply we need just to search for any flow in this flow here or in this list, and basically all those are auto launched flow or some scheduled, etc, etc. So now I'm just going to create a new one, and we will have a triggered flow, a record triggered one. I'm just going to trigger any flow here, and let's just choose an object account, and whenever it is created, and I'm just going to add something, for example just some custom error, and let's just label it here, and we want just to have a text or a variable, so let's just have it like that. And now we have our flow here, and simply we need just to save it. We give it a label, an API name, and save. So now, after we have our flow, you will need just to click on debug, and from here you can debug a triggered flow or a record triggered flow. So I'm just going to go like this. We click on run, and then we can have our uh, problem checked or any debugging that will be shown. So I'm just going to click on run, and this is all the results that you can see, and this is how you can debug a record triggered flow. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.